Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Betül and I'm passionate about this programming. Um, I have been learning and working with Java for 6 years, and the reason why I created this channel is to share my knowledge and help others learn programming from scratch. Which programming? Java programming. So this channel is about learning Java from the beginning. The topics are going to be included as a functions, variables, loops, methods. These are all the beginners topics which will help you to learn Java programming from the beginning. Those who have not yet experienced Java coding, it's totally normal, and this channel is going to guide you from the beginning till the end, and all the informations will be posted as a video. Let's create a class which will print out Hello YouTube using the tool called IntelliJ IDEA. And our programming name is Java Programming, and the class name is going to be main as we have written here. In order to create a new class, we have to right click to SRC, new and Java class. By clicking that, we are going to be able to create more than one Java classes. Public class main. And we have to define our main methods. By a shortcut, we can directly use PSVN and SOUT, which will print as system.println hello YouTube. So this is basically how to create a Java class and print out whatever we write in the system.println. And by right clicking, we can run it and see our output.